welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup look on this look that I'm wearing. This has been so requested for the past couple of months. Everyone was commenting on my last video and I think the video before that when I did my MAC haul of the eye look that I was wearing, and this is the eye look that I was wearing in that video. I'm obsessed with this eye look. It is so like grungy and dark and it's super blown out down here. Like I brought this shit to my cheekbones. So it's like, I'm obsessed. It brings so much attention to your eye color. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I keep getting lipstick on my teeth. This is why we don't wear gloss. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit, I haven't filmed in like a month, so don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel down below, as well as hit the bell. That is a lot of shit to fucking do. I'm so sorry. Hit the bell, subscribe, leave me comments down below of what you guys would like to see next, and that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm taking is the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my skin. And then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier primer. This is like the blurring primer, and I'm just going to focus that in my T-zone. So for the first foundation, I'm going to mix the Marc Jacobs, the Smashbox, the Dior foundation. I know, so fucking bougie, but this is like my favorite foundation combination at the moment, and I apply it with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. And every time I go in to dip foundation, I spray my sponge with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, because it just gives it more of a glowy kind of finish, because these are really matte foundations. And then I just apply it all over my neck as well. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. And then the same thing, I spray my sponge with the the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and just blend that all over. Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty and the Ben Nye Fair Powder. The Huda Beauty one, I'm in the color Cupcake, I believe, and I'm just going to use that to set underneath my eyes as well as my nose and chin. I love this powder because it really blurs your pores. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Derma Blend translucent powder, and I'm just going to apply that with the same sponge all over the face. Now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Moon Glow, I believe it's called, highlighter, and I just apply this all over my face to give like my skin that like luminous glow, and I just use a powder brush to apply that. So now I'm going to take the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm just going to apply that with an e.l.f. angle brush, and I'm just going to contour and bronze with this. I love this brush. This is like my favorite brush to apply contour and bronzer with. It is so cheap and it works like a dream. So I'm just gonna apply that along my jawline as well as the other areas of my face, and then I'm taking the Hourglass Ambient Bronze Light bronzer, and I'm just going to apply that over top just to give an extra glow to my skin. For blush, I'm going to take these two colors from MAC. I believe it's Blush Baby and Mocha, I believe, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks, and then I'm going to spray my face with the Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe, and then I apply the Fenty Beauty Lavender Powder underneath my eyes. This really does an amazing job at brightening under your eyes, so I just leave that on while I do my eyebrows, and then I dust it off. I always make sure that I like really dust it off, because this leaves your under eyes like super bright. So now I'm contouring my nose, and I'm just using the same exact the same exact Hoola bronzer by Benefit and a small Morphe brush. I'll leave all the brushes that I'm using in the down bar below. And then I'm taking the most amazing brush ever if you love to contour your nose. This is from MAC. It's like an angled brush. I'm going to double check the number and I'll link it down below, but I love it to like bake the sides of my nose. It really makes your nose look like really snatched. So now I'm just dusting off that translucent powder, and as you can see, I did my eyebrows. So now I'm just going to spray my sponge with the All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay and just pat over the under eyes to make sure that it doesn't look dry and everything's like really blended out. I go back in with the setting spray just to make sure that everything's blending and we don't look too powdery. Now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Holiday collection of highlighters, and I'm taking the first two and I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones, down the side of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and pretty much everywhere. You guys know I am obsessed with highlighter, so I'm just going to apply it everywhere. And then I go back in with that setting spray. I swear I go through one of these a week because I use so much setting spray in my routine. It's ridiculous. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, and the first color I'm going in with is Certified, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with the color Perfectionist, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade just in the crease of my eye, and I'm just going to blend back and forth, and I really make sure that I get the pigmentation in the inner corner as well, because this is going to be a really blown out kind of grungy smoky eye, so you want to make sure that you're blending the color all the way from inner corner to outer corner. So now I'm picking up the color Homebody, and I'm just going to use the same brush, and I'm just applying that in the same exact spot, just back and forth in the crease of my eye. I'm just really going to start deepening up the crease. So I'm going to go in with this more like rustic orangey color, and then I go in with a lighter color to help blend those edges. So now I'm taking the Ring the Alarm palette from Morphe and the color Rush, and I'm just blending out any harsh lines with that color. Now I'm taking the color Mugshot, which is just a little bit deeper than Homebody, and I'm just going to apply that lower in the crease, kind of towards the lash line, and I'm just using the same brush again, just blending back and forth. So here I'm just going over any harsh lines with a big fluffy brush, and then I'm going to take the exact same color Mugshot, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. Now I'm picking up the color Secret, and I'm just going to apply that with a Morphe M413 brush just on the outer corner of my eye, and then whatever I have left I'm going to blend towards the inner corner. This I'm really focusing towards like the lash line to really deepen up the lashes, and then I just blend anything that I have on my brush towards the inner corner. And then I'm going to take Secret again, and I'm taking it on a flat definer brush just under my lashes on my lower lash line, and I'm just blending that from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. So now I'm picking up the color Mugshot, and I'm just going to use that on a pencil brush and just blend that color Secret out all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. And I'm really making sure that I blend this like a lot, because that's really going to make this like that grungy kind of blown out smoky eye. So don't be afraid to blend out this color. And then I take the color Homebody, and I'm going to do the exact same thing just right underneath where I applied Mugshot. Just blend that out, and then I take even a fluffier brush with the color Rush and just blend that all the way to like my cheekbone. So it's really going to be blown out and smoky. Now I'm just going to apply some eyeliner. I'm using Feline from MAC, and I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. I also tightline with this, and then I'm going to apply some mascara to my lashes, and then I apply some fake lashes as well. So the fake lashes I'm using are my all-time favorites, are Flutter Intoxicating, because they're really fluffy and you don't have to wear eyeliner with these, so they're like my go-to lash. For lips, I'm going to apply MAC Whirl Lip Liner, and then I'm applying MAC Peach Stock to my lips. This is like my go-to nude of all time. I'm obsessed because it's kind of like that 90s grungy nude lip, so this is like my go-to at the moment. And then I'm going to apply some Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray just to make sure my makeup lasts all day. And then I decided to apply a little bit of Fenty gloss to my lips just for a little bit of a gloss. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!